Hey guys, welcome back to another Kajabi tutorial. It's been a minute. And in this video, it's like a spin-off or a continuation of a video I did a year ago on Kajabi redirect links, where if you have a custom domain that you created from like a WordPress website, and when you came to Kajabi, you know, like when you do the blog, they like to add the /blog, or if you do some of the pages, they like to add /pages to the standalone pages. Those blog posts or those articles that you did the interview for or the guest post for years ago, I mean, what are you supposed to do? Like call Entrepreneur Magazine, like, hey, do you think you could like redo the publication and change my link to this because I changed websites? Like, no, you can't do that. So what you would do is you have a redirect link, like pre-links for WordPress, but for Kajabi you don't, and you want to redirect them to where your blog is at now. And so that's that video here, if you need that. But in this video, what happens when you want that redirect page to be delayed by 3 seconds? And so that's what this video is about, and it's inspired by Wing Beaton, a YouTube commenter who asked a question on my Kajabi redirect video. And the question reads, April, do you know if it's possible for the landing page to be visible for only 3 seconds and then be redirected to another URL? I want to create a thank you page saying, thank you, you'll be redirected in 3 seconds. And then boom, next URL. This is for Facebook Pixel to work. And Wing Beaton, I'm here to say, yes, you can. And I'm going to show you how to do that here. And thank you so much for your question, because your questions I'm learning too. All right, so here we are in Kajabi, and I'm just going to assume you already know how to create a page or whatnot. So you go to Kajabi, website, pages. Now what I did is I created 2 pages because based on what I'm reading, I'm thinking there's 3 pages involved. So page number 1 is whatever the person's doing, opting in or clicking on a link. Then they go to page number 2. Page number 2 is that thank you page that we want them to only be on there for like 3 seconds. And then from there, they land to the 3rd page, which is wherever you want them to go. So I created 2 pages in Kajabi, and I'm just going to show you so you know what they look like. So this is the 3-second thank you page. So as you see, and I just clicked on new page and found like the most generic one, and here it is. You will be redirected in 3 seconds is what I typed in there. And then I duplicated it and changed the background color so it's more of a contrast for you to see that it's changing. And I put, yay, you're here. Okay, so this is where you want them to actually end up. So let's go back to, let's make that happen and go back to here. So all you're going to do is go to that page that you want them to be, the thank you page, you want them to be there for only 3 seconds. We're going to click on text. And then we're going to add custom code here. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, everything was kind of pushed to the left because this block moved everything out of the way. So I'm just going to make that custom code block 12 columns so that it can go to the bottom. And I'm going to type in here, which you don't have to, but I mean, I'm going to do it so I know what it is. It's 3 seconds redirect code. All right. And so once you do that, you just hit enter and you grab this little piece of code and you paste it as so. Now I know you cannot see the actual code, but don't worry about it because I'm going to put it in the description. I can like expand it so you can see. Okay. And yeah, so this is generic text right here. So I'm just going to add the page I want to land on after 3 seconds. Got that. And now I'm going to come back here and paste it like voila. Okay. And because I want this to be 3 seconds, this number here, this 3000, that's 3 seconds. If I wanted it to go for 8 seconds, I would put 8000. You got that? I mean, it's pretty much simple. And then I also have this paragraph code here. So let's say you didn't have the text and you just deleted it out and it was just a blank page and you just want a simple, you'll be redirected in 3 seconds. You can actually have that in the code, but I'm just gonna take it out because this is prettier. So I probably won't share that code with you, but you saw it was just like paragraph codes. I'm gonna hit save. And I mean, that's it. So let's just test this out. Let's close out of that. Let's open a new Chrome browser and let's put in the page that is going to redirect after 3 seconds. And if you remember, it says, hey, you'll be redirected in 3 seconds. So there you are. You will be redirected in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, boom. Yay, you're here. So it works. Okay, so just scroll down to the description to grab that code. I'm excluding the paragraph code because this is nicer. So just use, click on text, use what Kajabi uses, and yeah, put it in there. All right, so hopefully that was helpful for you, Wing Beaten. And guys, if you have any other questions, throw them my way. This is fun. I love Kajabi. I love learning about it. And yeah, I will see you next time. All right, bye. Like this video and show your friends.